Hi, this is Drew Roller from bestweatherinc.com. Some of you have been past subscribers to either Weather Wealth or our newsletter, Climatelligence. Some of you recently downloaded over the last year a free issue of our newsletter. We're trying to help farmers and traders around the world with commodity trading and to invest in alternative things, not just the stock market. And coming up in the June issue of Climatelligence, before the beginning of next month, is going to be, will the bull market is the bull market over in commodities? We've seen a big break in many markets, particularly grains, the last week or so. How much higher could coffee prices go? Is there a possibility of a hot summer for the grain market and for natural gas? Maybe some opportunities for you to invest in ETF strategies, things like that. And also how we actually forecasted the recent easing of the Corn Belt drought and the spring wheat drought in the northern plains in Canada. And this has helped create kind of a big spin down in some commodities. So the bubble has been pretty much over with in some agricultural markets, but things could change this summer. So we hope you subscribe to our newsletter. One of the things we began telling clients about a week or so ago was this green here, the easing of the drought in the northern plains and western Corn Belt, warmer temperatures. That's created kind of a downward spiral in some wheat, corn, and also soybean commodities after a very bullish winter outlook on tight supplies and the Brazilian drought. We're talking about our next issue about what global angular momentum is, how this is showing a weakening La Nina signal, and what that could mean for not only the United States, but how about Australia? Some important rains coming into the western wheat areas the next week or so where there's been a drought. This has also helped to pressure the wheat market once again. We'll be talking about coffee and future issues, the sugar market, how to trade cocoa, and of course, in this situation where you see these coffee beans, we've been on top of this for clients who've made some pretty good money the last few months, being long coffee, both in futures options and the ETF Joe. Look at those dark spots you see over there in some of the coffee beans. And the weather forecast going forward actually is going to be turning wet. If it stays too wet into June and July, late May, June and July, this could actually hurt the coffee crop even more as they begin the harvest. So we hope you join us and subscribe to our monthly newsletter, Climatelligence. You got a free issue recently. Our more expensive service, which is about $275 a month, is Weather Wealth, much more trading strategies, all sorts of updated information before the market knows about it. That's pretty expensive, but Climatelligence is much less expensive, only about $49 a month. Try an issue. We will try to help you, whether you're a farmer or a trader. There's so much free information out there, but not a lot of good information that's timely and can help people all over the world invest properly, hopefully, and also hedge in markets from cotton to grains and natural gas. Thank you, and we hope you have a very nice week and weekend.